Mrs. Singley here. Hi, first grade friends. Today we're going to be writing about first grade memories. So we're going to look back on the year and decide what were some of our favorite things. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a circle map and brainstorm some ideas. So let's get started. Okay, here's what you need to start with. Start with your name in the corner. In the center of your circle map is going to be first grade memories. And I did do a box so that we can have a point of reference. And this is based on your experiences, so I put my experiences. Okay, pause the video. Copy this circle map. Now you're ready to fill in the circle map. You are to write ideas down of what your favorite things from first grade were. You can think about each subject area: PE, reading, writing, math, science, social studies, even library, STEAM lab, or special occasions like when we had the fall festival or Valentine's Day. So now it's your turn to fill in your circle map. Pause the video and fill it in. Here are some of my ideas. Now you may certainly use some of mine if you didn't think of it. So I have Valentine's Day, Harvest Festival, dance party at lunch, hula hoop pop at PE, but maybe there was another game at PE that you liked, like kickball. Oh, we had a field trip to the planetarium. Maybe meeting with buddies was a favorite. Awards assembly, playing soccer at recess with friends. Or maybe it was tetherball or bars. Maybe your favorite was read to self time. Or maybe you like doing flashcards around the world with a flashcard game. Okay, next will be a tree map. All right, now I want you to circle 3 items from your circle map. I circled Valentine's Day, Harvest Festival, and a trip to the planetarium. Then I want you to take those 3 thoughts and put it into a tree map. So at the top here, you need to write first grade memories. That's our topic. Then write your 3 things you're going to write about. Now it's your turn. Next, you want to write some ideas, not sentences, just a general idea of what you enjoyed about that event. So under my Harvest Festival, I put what I dressed up as a jellyfish. You could also write, you got to do a parade. You got to make a bag. Or whatever you did in your class, because I realize each class did something different. Maybe you did a STEM project for the Harvest Festival, and our class did a STEM project with marshmallows. So you're going to do that for each of your ideas on the tree map. Okay, your turn. Here is my finished tree map. You can see I filled in field trip. I put we learned about constellations. We made rockets, ate lunch on the grass. You could have also added that we rode on a bus. And then Valentine's Day, we exchanged cards. We ate waffles or whatever you ate in your class. So you should have at least 2 or 3 ideas under each of these. One thing you need to include on your tree map are some describing words. So I went back through my tree map and I added in some describing words or adjectives. So I put pink jellyfish. Pink describes jellyfish. I said squishy marshmallows, tall rockets, ate lunch on the green grass, and ate tasty waffles. Now it's your turn to make sure to include adjectives. Okay, we're ready to write. This is going to be your final copy. So I have my name, number, and date in the right corner. I have a title, First Grade Memories, which was from your circle map and your tree map. Now, I'm going to help you very little. Let's see if you can think of some ideas for a topic sentence. Now, don't forget to do a 2-finger space and indent at the top. Now, a clue for your topic sentence is your title, which should be capitalized. So think about what could a good sentence be. So talk about it before you write about it. Maybe brainstorm with mom or dad or a brother or sister. Your turn. Now look at your tree map. I'm going to talk about Harvest Festival first. So on your final copy, you can put first and then tell me about Harvest Festival. Again, you should say it out loud before you write it. So I would say, first, I loved going to the Harvest Festival and dressing up as a pink jellyfish. Then you would write it. Your turn. Now you're gonna write about your next favorite memory. Mine was the field trip. Again, say it out loud before you write it. So I would say, my next favorite memory was going on a field trip to the planetarium. Then I'm going to write it. My next favorite memory is going on a field trip to the planetarium. Now, I may have some other ideas to tell about the planetarium. Like I learned about constellations and made tall rockets. I could also include that. Your turn. Now you're going to write about your last one. Mine was Valentine's Day. So I would use another transition word. Another favorite memory was Valentine's Day, where we got to exchange cards and I ate tasty waffles. So now to your final copy. After you verbalize it, you're going to write your sentence. And be sure to use Stretchy Snake or Chunky Monkey to help you with your spelling. Your turn. Okay, we're at the end of your paper. So you're going to use another transition word like in conclusion, finally, last, and your conclusion should be very similar to your topic sentence. So these are not the same, but they're very similar. Remember, we are looking for several things. Did you remember to start with a capital and end with a period or maybe even exclamation? Do you have transition words? Did you remember to include describing words this time? And did you vary your sentences? See, mine started with first. The next one said, my next, I, Don't start with I every time. We hope that you have a 5-star writing paper. You can do this. Happy writing!